It's me GameSpec here onto the new video, a new update of GameSpec. Let's go. So, this is a new pack I just got. That Hypig. I recorded that clip, but my PC's charged right now and it power off. So I deleted that clip, so you can't see me hatching. But you can see the pack if you want. Here it is. 555 minutes. And let's go to the update log. I'll show you that later. Maybe the super cut. I just did record a clip that's in the bottom. And let's start from the top. There it is. There's a new huge standard bear, which is 2.5 mil, and these are all the mastery huges which you can get. Jellyfish, Atlantic jellyfish, colorful wild chestnut, huge flex cat. And these are all the lightning pets. And this is the storm where you can roll with this. Lightning pets. And Tesla coils, which you need Tesla balls, electric balls to charge it. Which is you can get in chest breaking in the middle or coin chest breaking, which is around the map these ones. Or you can just bait one and get it. And there's a close-up image, boss chest, and that's everything. And this is what the boss will look like. I don't know whoever took this, but they were rich. The anime community, I think. This is a lightning machine which you can craft lightning potions, and this is what it look like. You need 14 lightning shots to craft one. This is the lightning shot. These are the lightning upgrades in the weather category. And these are all the mastery, fishing, mining, rolling breakables. And these are all the rewards. Level 99 you'll be able to get a cape. You can turn it off, and these are huge. And these are all the capes you can get. Lightning star. You guys might be wondering why am I going here fast? Because I already did this clip and I'm tired because my mind is tired from reading all this, so that's why I'm going pretty fast. Pro Trading Plaza, which is the same like the 795 series on Titanic, Lightning Gift, Ultra Fine, Open, all these lightning gifts. This is a pay to win pack. By the way, you can still get these from the pay to win pack, as you can see right there, but it's not gone. And this is the Thunder pack, which you get 10,000 XP push, or 10,000. The potion which gives you 10,000 XP for the push. And this is the huge, and this is the Titanic. And if we go to my group, this is my group, just which I made yesterday. And there's only 3 members. This is my channel, this is my server. And if you want to join this server, I'll leave a link in the description below. Now let's go to the game. Okay. So I did break that chest which I was trying to break, and now let me go to the weather category, which I did some of them. I did not do most of them. So Blizzard Shark drops soon. I want less lightning push accidents. Lightning shot drops 3. I already had that. Okay, then this one makes sense. Oh my god, damn, now. No, I'll just buy that. That's not easy. Best lightning notes, and that, and that book. 30 out of 44, which is good. And I'm almost there to break this. And this is a mastery. I'm 11768. These 3 I do the most. I did not do. I did at most so many of this when the mining channel, but mastery was not released yet, so it did not count. So I had to do all the masteries again. Fishing I don't do a lot, so that's why I don't care about it. but I could get huges. And no one said they wanted the ancient dragon, so I don't know what to do with it. Maybe I'll give it away or something to someone in the trading level. So if I go to level 20 itself, you can get a chance at nuclear mining dog from mining the flex bear. Yeah, that is crazy. In Flex Tiger, and here's the Flex Fluffy Cat. Level 70, level 90, you get the chance of huge Flex Cat and rolling mastery cape. That is saying, like, yeah, there's totally no difference. And I usually see a chest right there, small chest. Hopefully that does not disappear because I need coins for upgrading. So, and it should be over by now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It should be over. Yeah, it's over. Okay. What did I get? Then nothing good. Are you freaking serious? All that for nothing? Oh my god, 141 mil? That gives a lot of coins. And that did not do anything. How did this get? No. Oh, superior chest. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's get so many coins if it can be used for upgrading. Please be a lot. No, no, not that. Mm, 70. Any more chests laying around? No. So I end up with 156. No. So what should I do? Do that. Ooh, oh my god. This is the expensive upgrade ever. 40 mil? 40 mil? Yeah, that. Oh, no. No, that is something I need. That's the only one I can do. And 38. So, oh yeah, there's another chest. I only had to wait 1 minute for this just to start now. Then I get it. Lucky Pants, I have 101, 111% and I have 85%. Let me put some luck potions on. Drink 5. And I'll drink 10 of them. And I'll drink 10 of 15 of that. 10 of that. I'll get a crystal key, which I can wait, I'm not gonna do. No. I'm gonna go very fast and just then use that. Unlock one, please be something good. Nope, nothing. How did my pets just stay here? I just left this area. I don't know. Look at that. I can get. Did I found this? Oh, I don't know. I think I found. I can just run around. Wait just without doing that. That's fine. But, oh, okay. Just this. Just nothing. Of course. I'm in 1 million. Is the blizzard on right now? Because I am only getting smoke. I think the blizzard is on right now. Yeah, it is. That's why I'm getting it. Okay. I want the lightning, but not this one. Whatever. It's almost done. This has to. Oh no. Oh my god. Please. Give me over 100. Yay, level 11. Which means I'm so close to having a chance of having a flex title, I think it was. I had 3 hours of luck. Mm, mm, Hold up. No, 5 more hours. And it should be over. I'm gonna stop clicking for that because my eyes are pain. I had 25, 26 mil right now. If I break this, I get not that much. Oh god, it's not, yeah, it's not that. Which I can later use for upgrade. I'm gonna do one more upgrade, then I'm going to end the video there. And there it is. 39 or 44. So this is it for the video of the update. I know how to do start more updates, but that will take a long time because I need tools. And this is me, GameSpec, signing off. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down your username if you still want to have a chance of an ancient dragon in Thanksgiving. So see you guys later. This is me, GameSpec, signing off. See you guys later in the next video.